गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्थजं भूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्।
Mahaguru, Dr. S. Mahalakshmi, has always been a source of inspiration who inculcated a passion for research, inspired hope, ignited the imagination, and instilled a love of learning. I now request Dr. S. Mahalakshmi, ma'am, Professor and Head, Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics of SRM Dental College, Ramapuram, to deliver the welcome address.
Thank you, Kritika. Good morning. Welcome to all my friends gathered from across the country. Today, I would like to start my welcome address with a Tiruppural. Eppurul yar yar vai ketpinum, apporul meipporul kanbadarivu. Meaning, one has to analyze and discern the truth in everything, whomsoever it may be that has spoken or published. That is true wisdom, and this was told by none other than the great poet Thiruvalluvar almost 2000 years ago, which holds good even today. In fact, more so today, because in this social media obsessed generation or era, I should say, the reason why systematic reviews and meta-analysis that reviews and analyzes previously published literature is higher up in the echelons of quality of evidence. And that is the reason we, from the Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, SRM Dental College, Ramapuram, have organized a 2-day symposium aptly titled SRM from SRM. At the outset, I would like to thank and welcome our Dean, Dr. Ravi, our Vice Principal, Dr. Raj Kumar, who represent our very benevolent and management and chairman, who have always been very supportive and encouraging whenever it comes to organizing any academic event. IACDE, the Indian Association of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, our partner in this endeavor, has always been close to my heart. I heartily welcome Dr. Vibha Hegde, the President IACDE, Dr. Prahlad Saraf, Honorary General Secretary of the Association, and Dr. Ratnakar, the President-elect of IACDE, and thank them for being part of this program. I take this opportunity to welcome our galaxy of speakers, Dr. Vel Murugan, Principal, Meenakshi Ammal Dental College, Professor Dr. Nivedita, Professor and Head, Savita Dental College, Dr. Venkatesh Babu, Teaching Faculty, the College of Dental Medicine, University of Sharjah, and Dr. Srinivasan, our endostatistician, who's at Hamad Medical Center, Qatar, who are here to enrich our knowledge with their enriched knowledge. I heartily welcome our moderators and panelists, Dr. Moksha, Dr. Kundabala, Dr. Kavita, Dr. Girija, Dr. Subbaya, Dr. Rajashekar, along with all the professors and readers from across various colleges across the country who will be judging the students' poster presentations later today afternoon. Last but not the least, my warmest welcome to all the delegates and postgraduates from across the country who have registered in large numbers, showing their confidence in us and speaks volumes about the credibility of our speakers. In fact, we had crossed 650 registrations as of yesterday night, but today's score is again, the batting is still going on, so it's around 688. Right now it stands at 688. So we are very happy and thank each and every one of you who have supported us. Entire 2-day event has been the brainchild of Dr. Raj Kumar, professor of our department, who along with our staff members and postgraduate students have not left one stone unturned to ensure a smooth conduct of this program. I sincerely hope that you all enjoy and enjoy. Welcome once again. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. A great person attracts great people and knows how to hold them together. I would now like to invite our Dean Sir, Dr. K. Ravi of SRM Dental College, Ramapuram, to deliver the inaugural address.
Good morning to you all. It's really a pleasure to be here today for this. Good morning to you all. It's really a pleasure to be here today for this inaugural function on e-symposium on systematic review and meta-analysis. First of all, I would like to welcome Dr. Vibha Hegde, President, Indian Association Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, Dr. Prahalad Saraf, Secretary, Indian Association Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, Deans, Principals, HODs, Professors, faculties, research scholars, and postgraduate students of various colleges across our country. Scientific publications are excellent means to convey research findings, latest discoveries and developments, and future research prospects also to the researchers and the academicians and students. Scientific publication ensure peer review, quality control, also represent a fast way to communicate our findings. It helps to advance knowledge and its application in teaching, training, clinical care, and public health management. Systematic review and meta-analysis is the most evolving and considered as a higher rank research publication, which requires constant upgradation by the academicians. It gains utmost importance in scientific research publication that enables to identify, evaluate, and summarize the findings of all relevant individual studies, thereby making the available evidence accessible to the decision makers. Systemic review presents the ideal opportunity to undertake in-depth assessment of evidence relevant to our practice and have the potential to guide the researchers. I'm happy that the Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, SRM Dental College, Ramapuram, Chennai, along with Indian Association of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, is organizing a CD program titled SRM from SRM, that is e-symposium on systematic review and meta-analysis, to help in better understanding and develop the interest to undertake systemic review and meta-analysis among the students, faculty, researchers, which is the need of the hour. I think, as Madam said, we should attain the magical figure of 1,000 before the program starts. And with these few words, I would like to wish the organizers the very best of success of the program. Thank you very much. Kritika?
Thank you, sir. I'm highly privileged to welcome Dr. Vibha Hegde ma'am, President of the vibrant and prestigious Indian Association of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, to deliver the presidential address.
Very good morning. First and foremost, with the gratitude and prayers for the day, I extend my warm wishes to one and all on the occasion of this great e-symposium, SRM from SRM. It is a very and rhymes with Malavi Maha. So it is a very good timing. Honorable Chairman of the SRM Institutes, Dr. Sivakumar, Dean Dr. Ravi, Vice Principal Dr. Rajkumar, the organizing head, which has been Dr. Mahalakshmi, and the most silent support and the power, which I know is Dr. Rajkumar, Dr. Sarvana, Dr. Kritika, and all the active members in the organizing, esteemed speakers of the day, Dr. Nivedita, Dr. Ver Murugan, Dr. Srinivasan, Dr. Venkatesh Babu, faculty members, all our IACD members, dear friends, on this very positive note and the need of the hour, it is a very good program at this time of the year that SRM has been organizing. IACD has always been proud to support these educative initiatives, and we are very proud to be associated with the SRM institutes. IACD yearns to be continuously striving contributing and catering to the academic and the educative needs of our association. As the president of the Indian Association of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, I invite suggestions and ideas from all across the country to give us suggestions and ideas for the future growth and development and betterment of the academic activity. Friends, we all need to remember that the ultimate goal of any research is to benefit and serve humanity, especially in the field of medical sciences. Research that has no benefit to humanities is a wanton waste of previous precious resources. So with the boom in the biomedical research, it has become for us very important to understand the means of applying the same in evidence-based practices. Thanks to the revolution of the internet, our patients today have access to all the resources of medical knowledge. And therefore, now it is more significant for us as healthcare professionals to be well versed with the current best practices and standards of care. Systematic review and meta-analysis is a specialized study design that entails rigorous training in research methods and enables the clinician and the patient to make sense of the available evidence. The process that begins with a research question, registering the same with the competent agents like the Prospero, framing specific objectives, collecting the data, analyzing and deriving at an outcome, it entails additional training. So systematic reviews are currently the highest level of evidence in biomedical research, and it has direct implications on the clinical practice. So we are all gathered here today to undergo this same rigorous training. I am glad today to have learned that we have more than 688 registrations, which speaks volumes of the reach out of knowledge to our students and all the professionals of our specialty at large. And I'm also very happy to tell you that all the educative initiatives which ISCD has associated with have received great amount of recognition and participation. And we look to move ahead to expand our academic horizons. Friends, every patient deserves the best service that we can provide. So let us make this commitment our motto. And I once again thank ESRM by SRM for inviting me here and organizing this wonderful program. Congratulations to the entire team. Best wishes. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. We extend a hearty welcome to Dr. Prahalad Sharaf sir, the General Secretary of Team IACDE, to address the participants.
Good morning, one and all. Respected Shiv Kumar sir, Dean K. Ravi sir, Vice Principal Dr. Raj Kumar sir, Professor and HOD Dr. Mahalakshmi ma'am, our interim editor also for the JCD, all the faculty members, the galaxy of speakers, and the moderators, and the delegates who are going to attend a beautiful program, a conceptualized program by SRM from SRM. The name itself is very catchy. It speaks volume of the preparation which has been done by Dr. Mahalakshmi ma'am and Dr. Rajkumar sir, and this is a 2-day symposium which is being conducted, which will be benefiting a lot of people across the nation who are interested in writing a systematic review, which will be beneficial to the next generation to follow the research and the various academic works conducted by various people, which will be compiled in one platform. I would also like to thank the management of the SRM, as I came to know that the SRM will be celebrating its silver jubilee year. So I also like to thank the management and the principal and congratulate them for completing 25 years and recognized as one of the 15 best dental colleges. Best wishes for the programs from the association. And as this program is conducted by SRM College in association with Indian Association of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics under the initiative of IACD SPARC. SPARC itself tells that it is a scientific program by the Association for Research and Knowledge, and no better program than this to witness for that. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. I now request Dr. K. Rajkumar, sir, Professor, Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics of SRM Dental College, Ramapuram, to deliver the vote of thanks.
I'd like to start with Thirukural. Ennandri kondrakum uivundam, uivillai seinandri kondra magarku. Yes, one may forget every goodness and yet escape, but no escape for the one who forget gratitude. It's my pride and pleasure in thanking each and every person who have made this program into an extravagant symposium. I thank our respected chairman, sir, and co-chairman, a man of final spirit, perseverance, and hard work. Thank you for being our spark of strength, sir. I thank our respected dean, sir, a man of virtue and simplicity, a person to rely on. He has been a biggest pillar of support to make this event possible in every way. I take this opportunity to thank our respected Vice Principal, sir, a person of virtues and values who has nurtured all our ideas and have made this event possible. Our dearest HOD ma'am, the elixir of the event, a phenomenal and explicit personality, a person of positivity. With ma'am, everything is possible, and so was this program. Thank you, dear ma'am, for walking with us through every step we took. It won't be possible without you. I thank Team IACD for all the help rendered. You had been a real support to us, sir, ma'am and sir. As I think of the event, I am in awe about the collected expertise and their exuberant resources. I thank our dearest speakers, Dr. Nivedita madam, Dr. Vel Murugan sir, Dr. Venkatesh Babu, Dr. Srinivasan, and our moderators, Dr. Moksha Nayak ma'am, Dr. Subaya sir, Dr. Kavita ma'am, Dr. Raj Shekharan, and our panel heads, Dr. Kundabala ma'am and Dr. Girija ma'am. I thank our chairpersons for accepting the invite in such a short notice. All your tremendous contributions have made this event an amazing extravaganza. My heartfelt thanks to all the faculties and dear students, interns, and all other participants. I would like to thank Ms. Vasumati of Rickshaw Designers for their fantastic design of the e-invite, certificates, and virtual. Thanks to Dr. Ramya Malini for providing us with the Zoom portal for the webinar. I thank Dr. Saravana Karthikeyan and Dr. Kritika for helping me with each and every nook and corner of this event. I thank dearest postgraduates and faculties of our department who are my strength and stood by me in organizing this wonderful event. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. Nothing is possible without the blessings of our Almighty. Hope you all will be benefited and will enjoy every moment of this CD program, SRM from SRM. Thank you, adieu, namaste, and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.